The study, published in the Journal of Personality, explored the link between authoritarian attitudes in adolescents and their cognitive and emotional abilities. Conducted by researchers at Ghent University, the study investigated how reasoning skills, intelligence, and emotional regulation abilities correlate with authoritarian leanings in young individuals. Key details. 1. Participants and methods. The study involved 507 adolescents aged 15 to 22. Participants underwent standardized intelligence tests to measure cognitive ability, including reasoning and problem-solving skills. Assessments of emotional intelligence, focusing on emotional understanding, regulation, and empathy. Surveys to evaluate their authoritarian attitudes, such as preference for strict obedience, conformity, and deference to authority figures. 2. Findings: weaker cognitive ability. Adolescents who scored lower on cognitive tests were more likely to exhibit authoritarian attitudes. This suggests a link between limited reasoning skills and a preference for rigid authority. Reduced emotional intelligence. Participants with poorer emotional regulation and understanding also tended to lean towards authoritarian ideologies. They struggled to manage emotions and empathize with others, key components of emotional intelligence. No political orientation. Bias: the association between authoritarianism and lower cognitive emotional abilities was consistent across political spectrums, indicating that this tendency is not confined to any particular ideology. 3. Significance of adolescence. The study highlights adolescence as a critical period in the formation of political and ideological beliefs. Cognitive and emotional abilities developed during this stage play a significant role in shaping attitudes toward authority. 4th. Implications. The findings suggest that authoritarian tendencies are not solely the result of social or environmental factors, but are also influenced by individual differences in cognitive and emotional development. Educators and policymakers might use this information to design interventions that promote critical thinking and emotional growth to counter authoritarian leanings. 5. Caveats. The study is correlational, meaning it identifies associations but does not prove causation. It remains unclear whether lower abilities lead to authoritarianism or if other factors contribute to both. Conclusion. This research underscores the importance of fostering cognitive and emotional development during adolescence to encourage open-mindedness and critical thinking. It also suggests that interventions aimed at enhancing reasoning and emotional intelligence may help reduce authoritarian attitudes in young individuals.